Hello everyone, I am Assistant Professor Neha Giratkar. Here I introducing the paper Database Management System. There are some contents we are discussed in our presentation. Here is the syllabus of database management system that the most of the universities follows. The goal of paper are able to you to use database management system, that is DBMS, successfully. One has to understand the concept on which they are based. The main aim of this paper are to familiarize you with the basic components underlying a DBMS, and it shows how they are realized in a specific system. This paper gives you a hand-on experience in using a database management system. Here are some outlines of our paper. That is, this paper is developed along the database development life cycle, which will allow students to easily relate topic to one another along a logical path. The real power of a relational database lies in ability to quickly retrieve and analyze your data by running a query. Queries allows you to pull information from one or more table based on a set of search condition you define. The structure of the paper follows the development of material in modern database management. This paper is designed for students who wish to establish a foundational understanding of Microsoft Office Access. This paper is an introduction to database through Microsoft Access. It is designed for people who are used to managing data in spreadsheet but wish to understand why and how a database will provide a better solution. This course covers the difference between spreadsheet and database and takes students through the processing of creating a database from design through a data population. It includes the skill necessary to create a new database, construct data tables, design form and report, and create queries. The objective and importance of paper are the main purpose of this paper to analyze data. The database is an important part of software and management solution, helping in store, organize and manage data scientifically and systematically. This basic block that students will learn in this paper to apply entity relationship model, that is ER model, for building information system, that is data model. This paper explain the basic of DBMS such as architecture, data models, data schemes, data interdependence, ER models, relation model, relational database design, and storage and file structure, and much more. A management system helps get quick solution to database queries, thus making data access faster and more accurate. DBMS supports multi-user environment that allow user to access and manipulate data in parallel. There are some applications and uses of database management system, that is railway reservation system, library management system, banking system, universities and colleges, credit card transactions, social media sites, telecommunication, finance, military, and the human resource management. One of the main application of the paper is that it can be used to manage an accounting system, and MS Access is one of the popular DBMS tool that is used for the same. It is a systematic software to create, store, manage, manipulate, retrieve and update any kind of data. It is used the Microsoft J database engine and comes as a part of Microsoft Office suite of application. Microsoft Access offers the functionality of database and programming capabilities to create easy to navigate screens form. It helps you to analyze large amount of information and manage data efficiently. Local database application Microsoft Access offer a great vehicle to analyze and build an easy to use interface for user. Here are some references for database management system. Thank you so much.